Hey guys, Tyler with Buffalo Solar. I'm back. Just wanted to kind of go over what rapid shutdown devices are. This is an AP Smart device. So AP Smart makes it, and what it is, it's a simple box. And what you do is, this is for primarily roof mounted installations for rapid shutdown devices in case it senses any heat dissipation, anything with like fire related. It's gonna know, the system will turn the panels off instantaneous if it feels like it's gonna be unsafe. So super easy to install. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna clip it onto the panel frame here. And then these are actually your jumpers where your panels get tied into. So each one of these gets plugged into this, and then these become your new panel trunks, and they actually get daisy chained together on the roof. So how it works is each one of those panels are essentially an individual DC disconnect on the roof now. So it cuts the panel voltage off instantaneous if the inverter senses any problematic issues with the system. So in New York State NEC codes now, where you have to have these things on every single roof mount where there's a dwelling, where there's a business where you lay your head at night. So it has rapid shutdown integrated into it, so it won't start a fire on your roof. So extremely safe product, great and easy to use, and goes with every single installation on your roof. So if you guys want more information on this, hit us up on any of our social media sites. Give us a call at our office. We're super happy to help answer any of your questions. Have a great day.